On this day, May 1st, a lot more happened than just Workers' Day. In 1982, President Shehu Shagari commissioned the 125 million naira Osogbo Steel Rolling Mill. Built after the Ajaokuta steel project failed, Osogbo became Nigeria's Plan B. By 1983, a technical training deal was signed to prepare Nigerians to run the mill. Today, it's owned by the Dangote Group. It is now called Integrated Steel PLC. But rewind to 1962, Nigeria held its first post-independence census and it sparked major controversy. Fast forward to 1996, the home of General Alani Akinrinade in Lagos was bombed, and of course, its Workers' Day, May 1st, was declared a national holiday in 1981 to honor Nigeria's labor force. Shout out to Kano State for leading the charge. Still, struggles, sabotage. May 1st isn't just another break from work. It's a date carved deep into Nigeria's history. Follow more for Nigerian history you won't find in your textbooks.